Good morning, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and what I have in my hand is something I use a lot. As you can see, I have a ton of mattresses. I do sell mattresses, and this here is a mattress vacuum designed for mattresses, portable, rechargeable, charge it up in 2.5 hours, runtime about 30 to 45 minutes is what I'm getting out of it. I also use it on my dog beds too as well, so you don't necessarily need to use it on mattresses, but you can, because you'll have mattresses in your home, you can have dog beds in your home, you can have couches in your home. And the difference of using these versus a regular vacuum is this also has UV light that also helps to clean and kill any bacteria or germs that is on this or on the couch or in your dog bed. It's a easy application to use. You have a power button, a display here that tells you the battery life, and you can also tap to get a boost mode. So you can go ahead and get a boost mode, and we can tap to go back down to eco mode, that's what I use primarily. It will last a lot longer. There's no bag, so bagless, so this container here will trap all your dust and debris and hair, dump it out easily. Comes with a replacement filter, a filter inside too as well, to help with the dust. And it's as simple as, you'll notice there's no light here, but as soon as I put my hand close, I don't know if you can see it, it senses it, and then the light turns on, so it stays there with the light. And it's just as simple as that. A couple scoops, and we're getting this clean here. It's just easier to use this as a hand wand versus going out a whole vacuum or trying to fumble with a stick vac. This is just so much easier. And you can see the purple UV light in there, right? I can do it on all these dog beds. I use it on all these mattresses. I've been primarily now using it on our dog beds because we take them in the RV with these beds and then they get a ton of hair on them. And so I want to clean them out. And so you can see here all the hair that's starting to collect inside. I'll turn this on. I do want to show that this is easy to clean too, so it will help to reduce our getting tangled in here. But if it were to get dirty, you have a button here on the bottom that you can push out to pop this out. It's locked right now. Let's see, unlock it. Let's see what you do. This comes off, and then you can pull this bristle out or this brush out and clean it, which is nice. So you can keep your equipment clean. And this will just slide right back in, pops in, locks in. And then you also have a push button here. And this will take off your canister. So you can go ahead and dump. You have a filter here that you can go ahead and clean. And there's also another filter in there that comes, this is the one that they give you as a replacement. So you have two of those, and then this will just lock into place. You hear it snap, easy as that. Super easy, fits nice. This is where you'll charge it. So it does come with the cable to charge it. It's nice just to have a handle like this, right? And doing this motion to clean your dog beds and your beds. So I really love this mattress vacuum. If you're in the market for one, definitely check out this one from FEPPO. I highly recommend it. Give it a try.